Hello, my name is Sebastian DeWitt. I am with Group 2, Imperial Examination, Gaokao, and China's Higher Education Reform. My slide, it was focused on culture, um, and I just wanted to start off with what education means to people of China. A good education has always been highly valued in China, as the people believe that education ensures not only the future and development of the individual, but also the family and the country as a whole. Passed down from ancient times, the maxim from the three character scripture that says, if no proper education is given to children, their nature will go bad. This has obviously proved to be true. Uh, an educational legend in China was known as Confucius. The great master Confucius taught us that, and I quote here, it is a pleasure to learn something and to try it out at our intervals, end quote. Similarly, the numerous students have been convinced that another quote by Confucius is that reading books excels all other careers. As you can see in the Chinese culture, education is valued very highly. In the early beginnings, as far back as the Shang Dynasty, which would be the 16th century BC, there were inscriptions on bones or tortoise shells that were used as for simple records of teaching and learning. So, for a lot longer than the country of this country, United States, has been around, China has obviously been working on education for a very long time. Obviously, part of Chinese culture is you should understand that they're obviously one of the biggest countries in the world, population size wise, and this has been a problem only because they have to educate so many people, um, and also part of the modernization and reform of the Chinese culture is the way they're actually looking at how they teach. Let's say, for example, mathematics. Chinese Deputy Director for General of Basic Education, Wang Dinghao, said in a recent statement exactly this. We need to shift from a nation with large human resources to a nation with strong human resources. Looking towards the future, China has been on a bold long term vision for investing in education to raise its people out of poverty and prepare them for the global economy. This was said by Vivian Stewart, Vice President of the Asia Society. They are currently in the eighth year of a 10-year plan that Chinese government put in place to reform their education system, and they were hoping by year 10 that they would have a stronger college system than that of the Americas. And a few critics have noted that that seems highly unlikely, but nonetheless, they are making great strides and they will catch up to our education level sooner rather than later. Just one quick fun fact I wanted to throw in there is that over the past 20 years, China has almost eliminated illiteracy among its 1.3 citizens up to about 85%. So that is a huge number. This is taken by the New York Times, and that will conclude my presentation. My name is Sebastian DeWitt. Again, I'm with Group 2. Thank you.